Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so the update runs smoothly. Make sure the Redmi A3 is on charge or above 50%. Low battery can stop the process. Back up critical data to Google or local storage because updates can fail. Once done, go to Settings, tap About Phone, then System Update to check for available packages. If a version appears, read the brief release notes and tap Download. This initiates the first actionable step toward installing the firmware. You now manage the download and installation with care. Use a stable Wi-Fi connection to download the update. Cellular can be slow or costly. Once the file downloads, the system will verify the package. Wait patiently and do not close settings. After verification, tap Install. The phone will reboot into the updater and apply changes. The process can take 10 to 20 minutes depending on the update size, so keep the device connected to power and avoid interrupting the installation sequence. You finish by verifying the update and addressing problems if they appear. After the reboot, check Settings About Phone to confirm the new build number and review app behavior. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop, make sure to try rebooting into recovery and wipe cache first. This often resolves conflicts. If issues persist, boot to safe mode to isolate apps, then restore your backup or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember, clearing cache clears temporary files, not personal data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.